Did you know a common kitchen spice can help protect your chili plants and keep them healthy? If you love growing green chilies at home, this simple, natural trick can make a real difference. Chili plants are quite sensitive. When they face diseases or weak soil, their growth slows down, leaves become dull, and fruits don't develop properly. While many people use chemical sprays, natural solutions can be safer and more effective over time. Today I'll show you an easy method using turmeric powder, something you already have in your kitchen. Turmeric is known for its natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps protect plant roots and reduces the risk of common diseases. Here's how to use it. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. Stir well. Now apply this solution directly to the soil around your chili plants once every 2 to 3 weeks. You can also sprinkle a small pinch of dry turmeric around the base of the plant. This simple method helps keep your plants healthy and protected. Remember, turmeric is not a fertilizer, so always combine it with proper plant nutrition for best results. Try it and see the difference in your garden. And tell me in the comments, have you ever used turmeric for plants? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening tips.